I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this car. You've got radio, media, phone. If I click on phone, there you go. Please find SKODA BT402, find telephone. But you've got settings down here. So we'll click on settings, select phone or telephone or Bluetooth. So onto Bluetooth. Paired devices and find devices. Paired devices, Barry's iPhone 10, and then there's a dustbin there. Do you really want to delete Barry's iPhone? No, that's why I pressed the dustbin. Delete. That's it, gone. So, okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this SKODA Octavia.